I want to introduce Nymeria. This is our latest addition to our collection. If you want to see my weird random collections video, you'll understand more why. So today's video is going to be about the Sephora VIB sale. Its first week is still on. Today is the last day, October 26th to 29th, and then it's going to be November 2nd to November 5th. Okay, the first product I want to show you is the blender cleanser. This is a repurchase. I don't know how many of these I have had, but I find that nothing cleans and disinfects like this, and I love the smell of it. So I think I will be using these for a long time. Next is it's kind of random. I just bought a single eyeshadow. It's Anastasia Beverly Hills Pink Champagne. I guess I could swatch it. I used it already only once, but so far I really like it. There's no fallout, and it's a very, very light pink. If you wet your brush and put it on thicker, it shows up more pink. But I really like the color. I find it's a little bit lighter than most of our pink shadows that we have. Next is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glitter Adhesive. I bought this kind of hoping that it's going to solve the problem I have with my Pillow Talk eyeshadow palette, because the fourth glitter shade, there's just so much fallout. So I'm hoping to try, actually I want to mention also from the Sephora VIB sale, I bought the Jouer concealer that everyone's talking about, and it burned my skin and it burned my eyes, and I brought it back. So, okay, but I mean, it doesn't mean it's going to happen to you, but that's what happened to me. So here's the glitter adhesive. Oh, it smells weird. It smells kind of like perfume, but we'll see how that works out. Next, we have the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask in the shade Candy Cane. This one has more shimmer. Oh no, there's a little thing. Hang on, I gotta take it off. Oh boy, we're gonna end up editing this.
I'll put like a please stand by picture.
No, we'll edit it. Hang on, it's gonna be really hard. Oh no, look. You just stick the little thing in there. Okay, so I'm gonna put it a bit here. So I love the smell. It smells like cupcakes. It is so moisturizing, and there's just a little more shimmer in it. Okay, next. Okay, I just want to mention, this is not from Sephora, but just FYI, if you want to order the small size of the Aveda lip glosses that are exclusive during the holidays, you have to hurry up and order early because they run out every year. Next, I want to talk about Briogeo. All of the Briogeo products are 96 to 90% natural ingredients, no sulfates, no silicone, no parabens. They're gluten-free, safe for color-treated hair. Okay, so the first one is Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I use this all the time because I always have to heat style my hair. I either have to straighten or curl them, or both. I think this is my third bottle, but I really love it because even if I wash my hair for one time, I don't use it, you still have that silky conditioning feel in your hair, but it doesn't weigh your hair down. It doesn't smell weird. It doesn't make them crunchy. It doesn't make them oily. I really feel like there's really nothing else like it out there. It's made with rosehip oil, argan oil, and coconut oil, and it nourishes your hair, it diminishes frizz, and it shields from UV rays. Next is Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. I haven't used this one yet. This one is in a spray. And I will let you guys know how this works out. Okay, and the last thing that I want to show you is the Horoscopes. It has 4 things inside. It has the Don't Despair Repair Conditioning Mask, which is 8 ounces. And then it has the Rose Arc Blow Dry Protection and Heat Protectant Cream, which is 0.75 ounces. And then you have more of, just like this one, the first one I showed you, the Rose Arc Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray, which is 0.75 ounces. And then you have the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo, which it's supposed to gently cleanse your scalp without any irritation. Okay, so that's it for now. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything you'd like to hear more about or any product that you'd like to hear about. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.